Hi and welcome to today's lesson. And I'm really sorry I was very busy. I'm very sorry that I couldn't upload and I'm very sorry. Let me say something in a different way so that you feel special. Let me take you to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn 5 different phrases how to say sorry. The very first one is a semi-formal. I'm going to apologize. I'm going to say, I apologize that. The word apologize is for actually formal, but nowadays it is used as semi-formal. There are additional words added to it to make it completely formal. So I say that I apologize that I couldn't make it yesterday. I apologize for coming late. I apologize. Let us proceed. Take the blame on yourself and say, instead of saying sorry, say it's my fault. I'm taking the responsibility of the problem. Okay, it's my fault that I asked you to do the job. It's my fault that I missed the metro and ruined the plan. It's my fault that I couldn't upload the video on time. I take the blame. So instead of saying sorry, I'm saying it's my fault. The third one has got an exclamatory word, oops. Oops, actually something happens all of a sudden. If you drop something from your hand, you instead of saying in Hindi or Urdu, so use the English word oops. That all of a sudden that should come out of your mouth, oops. And the word sorry, you can replace it with other words. Let us go ahead and see what do we have. The word is of course an exclamatory word, oops. And on the spur of the moment only, it is not that something that has happened yesterday and you're saying oops today morning and today afternoon. No, it doesn't happen. It's on the spot. If something has happened, only then you have to say the word oops. And the next word is the word for apologizing. So the examples that I have in front of me is that oops, sorry for that, pointing to the action or whatever has happened. Oops, sorry for dropping it if something drops from your hand. Oops, I regret damaging it. If something has happened all of a sudden, maybe you spilled ink on paper, you will not use oops for something that has happened much earlier. Let's proceed. The next one is I should have. That means now you have to spell it out, the apologetic word or the expression in an explanative way. I should have called you up and informed you that I'll be late. I should have informed all of you that I was on school vacation and I didn't feel like working. I hope you understand why I didn't upload the video. The last one that I have is a formal one. If you remember, the very first one I showed was I apologize. Now there's an extra word over here, that is I sincerely apologize for. I sincerely apologize for the delay. I sincerely apologize for the delay in uploading the video. I sincerely apologize for not uploading the video on time. There are additional words for you over here. I regret the delay. Now these are, since we're discussing the formal approach is the academic English, which is mostly, if you in layman's language, you can remember it as textbook English. So I am remorseful for the waste of your precious time. I'm penitent for the loss and damages caused by me. I regret the error in my video. I hope you have understood how to use different expressions instead of saying sorry. I hope this will expand and develop your language. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification when I upload my video the next time. And if you like today's video, kindly hit like and share with family and friends. Thank you very much for your precious time.